Welcome to Rune Conversations, where ancient wisdom becomes practical power. If you are ready to think clearly, act consciously, and strengthen your own sphere of influence, you are in the right place. There is a moment just before something changes in your life. Not the change itself, but a spark that makes it inevitable. That moment is the rune Ka. If you've been walking this path of the runes with me, you've already encountered structure, rhythm, alignment. But the rune Ka is different. The rune Ka is not about maintaining order. The rune Ka is what breaks inertia. It is the fire behind action, the force that says now. In our modern system, Ka carries the essence of power in motion. Not potential, not waiting, but activated will. This is the rune that moves from knowing to doing. And here's the thing most people miss. The rune Ka is not loud. It doesn't always come as a dramatic decision. Sometimes it appears as a quiet certainty. A moment where hesitation disappears. You don't debate. You don't overthink. You act. Think about it. How many times have you known exactly what to do, but didn't move? That gap between knowing and acting, that is where the rune Ka is either present or absent. The rune Ka teaches us something very direct. Power is not in ideas. Power is in execution. You can study the runes, meditate on them, divine with them, and understand them deeply. But without the rune Ka, they remain concepts. The rune Ka is the rune that says, bring it into the world. Now, from a deeper perspective, Ka is not just personal will, it is aligned will. When Ka is fully awakened, your action is no longer chaotic, it becomes precise. It moves in harmony with something greater. This is why Ka can feel almost effortless, even when the action itself is difficult. Because resistance drops when movement begins. In practice, working with Ka is simple, but not easy. It asks one question: what must you act on right now? Not tomorrow, not when you feel ready, now. And then, it asks even something harder. Will you do it? Will you do it? Because Ka does not respond to intention alone. It responds to commitment in motion, commitment to act. In your own practice begins with it in a very simple way. Stand, breathe, feel your center, and then take one deliberate action that you've been postponing. That is the rune Ka. Ka is not about perfection. It's not a grand gesture. It's just movement at the right moment. Movement in the present moment. When Ka awakens within you, life begins to shift. Opportunities appear, momentum builds, clarity follows action. Not the other way around. So today, don't wait for a perfect moment. Become the moment. That is Ka. If today's rune conversation gave you insight, practice it, share in the comments how this conversation speaks to you. I respond personally. Subscribe if you are committed to walking this path rune by rune. Until next time, walk in clarity.